talking? You're gonna pick up Dosta? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done like a sit-down video, and look at this cute background. Such a festive background. If you guys have seen my Navratri series, you would have already seen this background and would have gotten bored out of it. By today's title, you guys already know what this video is. It's a very mini festive IKEA haul. So I'm really excited about it. And today's Dussehra, so I went to IKEA on Dussehra. I probably will be uploading it in the coming week so that it's easier for you guys to like go Diwali shopping or anything. Like, we're almost in the second half of the year, and I think every festival comes along today, like during this part of the time. Like Diwali, there is New Year's Eve, Christmas, there's New Year's. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm filming this video really late. It's 11:30 in the night, and my makeup has been throughout the day, so it's a little messy. I didn't do any touch-ups because it's really late. I love having sodas in the night. I know it's bad, but I really like. Now I have to be awake to film this video, so I'm having my Coke with a really cute straw. And I got this glass also from IKEA in my previous haul, but oh my god, I love having sodas or aerated drinks. I know it's bad for the body, but I really love them. So I know this intro is really long, but without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now the first thing I got is this water bottle. Now this I will leave all the prices up on the screens or in the info box. You guys can check it out. But I got this water bottle because I don't have a lot of water bottles like this. I have only one, and the reason, back then I got two bottles. One I gave it for my mom, and the other one is in my house. I really like having glass water bottles in the house. I don't use a lot of plastic. I'm trying to cut down on the plastic, but I really wanted a glass water bottle. So I got this, and this is, I think it is 300 or 400 ml, I'm not sure, but yeah. The next thing I got are something really, it's like an impulsive buy. I got these cute wine kind of glasses. I don't know whether you have a red wine or whatever. I'm not a wine drinker, or I'm not a drinker at all. But personally, I feel like you can give your cool drinks in this. It's like a cute way. I love having these glasses in the house. I don't usually use these glasses. I just got two, one for me and one for Lalit. But these are so pretty. They're so beautiful. I love these so much. And it has this beautiful different detailing on the glass. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's so pretty. I really liked it. So it's like an impulsive buy, but I love these. Now that we are in the topic of glasses, let's talk about another two glasses. I got these. I'm so scared that I'm gonna drop them. These are the glasses I got. I think these are for 59 bucks or something like that. But they have this cute handle to the side. So either you can carry it like this, or you can catch it like this. Again, I got two, one for my husband and one for me. But it's so cute, so pretty. I really love it. But I'm really scared. I think these are gonna last the least in my house because typically, like, you know, when you're having your milk or something, your hands are always watery. So yeah, but I'm going to be very careful. But these are so pretty. I love these so much. The next couple of things are basic IKEA things. If you've ever been to IKEA, I don't think there's any house in this entire India, if I'm not wrong, who has been to IKEA and never bought these, at least as far as my knowledge. I got these flowers. These are like 49 or 59 bucks each, and I got the vase. Now if anybody knows, this particular decor in anybody's house means it's IKEA. I really like these one. I think I broke it while we were moving to the new house, but I wanted to have this again. It's so beautiful. Look at how pretty it looks. So pretty. It has this light blush color kind of roses, tulips, roses, whatever these are. So pretty. I love them so much. And yeah, so cute. Now the next one that I bought is something I've never thought I'll buy. It's such a different thing. It's this huge, like a vase or a container. So personally, my idea behind buying this, I don't know whether I'll use it as a vase or no, but personally when I saw this, the first thing that hit my mind was if any kids are coming to my house, to fill them up with candy, or if there's any birthday party, you can fill it up with candies and all of that. So pretty. I don't know whether I'll use it as a vase or as a candy storage thingy, but this is so beautiful. It is clear glass, is nothing, but it's so pretty, and I think this is very affordable as well. I really like it so much. Super pretty, super dainty, and all of these are very useful around the house. Now the next thing is another vase. I don't have enough of vases. This is what I picked up. This is a beautiful cylindrical cone kind of a situation, and it's red. It's like an ombre red. It's like deep here, but it's very light over. And I remember the price of this. This is $249, and it's so affordable, and it's glass again. It's so pretty. Imagine putting this in the living room, right in the center table. It will be so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm gonna like literally die. This is so pretty, so beautiful, amazing. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. The next thing I bought is a potpourri. Like I got 2 potpourris. Now this has a really cute story. So if you've ever been to IKEA, everything has a Swedish name to it. So the Swedish name for potpourri is dofta. So the first time ever we went there and it was smelling nicely, Lalit told me, like, you know, why don't we pick up some dofta? And I'm like, you want to pick up some dosa here? And he's like, not dosa, it's dofta. These are so pretty, and I love the cute story, but this is what I got. The next thing I got is another pot or a vase or whatever you want to call it as. This has this chrome glitter gray kind of a finishing. Really, it reflects perfectly, and I love how pretty this looks like. So beautiful, so dainty. I really need to like get to setting the entire house because the festive season is right around the corner, and Diwali is one of my favorite festivals, and I cannot wait. Next, I picked up a basic like lunchbox kind of containers just to like put some food or some pickles or something like that. Really basic. The next one is something that I'm really excited about. These are these beautiful pillow covers with tassels. So pretty, so cute. And I got 4 of these. Like literally I have 4 of these because I wanted to put it on my sofa, and the tassels look so pretty. They are different colors. There's green tassels, there's I think pink, and there's a yellow tassel as well if I'm not wrong. But these are so beautiful. I just cannot wait to decorate my house for Diwali. Oh my god, I just cannot wait. Also, let me know if you guys want to see like a decor haul kind of a situation for Diwali. Like, you know, if you want me to do some video or a vlog style where I decorate for Diwali and all of that, let me know. The next thing I got is this beautiful frame. This is how it looks like. It's a transparent frame with a dark pink, like, you know, hot pink framing, if I'm not wrong. Really pretty. The reason I got this is I wanted to put my mom's picture in this, so that's why I got this. Really pretty, really cute and dainty. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, and there's so many sizes available. I just can't. Any festive haul is incomplete during the Diwali time if you don't buy diyas. And I got these brass diyas. I'm going to show you guys behind. It has this lotus kind of a flowering. I still didn't open these, but I'll try putting up a picture so you guys get the reference. I got 2 of these, and all the brass items are so expensive, you guys. And the last thing that I got from IKEA is this beautiful sunflower. Oh my god, my mom always wanted sunflowers, and whenever we went for shopping for, like, you know, artificial sunflowers, they were so expensive. I don't know why sunflowers are so expensive. Really pretty. This takes me back to the days when I was very young into blogging, and I went for a sunflower field. If I can ever get a picture, I'll post it up here. Really pretty. I fell in love that day. Oh my god, that was like the first and last time I've ever seen sunflowers in real life. I've never seen a sunflower in real life. But this is so pretty, so cute. I love it so much. So I got this. I think this is for 500 rupees if I'm not wrong. This is the most expensive, like, for one stem, I think. But it's really pretty. I love it so much. That is all for this very short festive vlog from IKEA. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!